Is someone listening to your private conversations? It sounds like a spy movie, but phone tapping and data hijacking are more common than you think. Today I'm going to show you 3 hidden iPhone codes and settings that will tell you instantly if your calls, text, or even your microphone are being intercepted. Let's get right into it. First, we're going to run an interrogation. Open your iPhone, open the phone app and dial *21 $. This isn't just a random number, it pulls a hidden report directly from your carrier. You're looking for a list that says disabled next to voice, data, and SMS. If you see a phone number listed that you don't recognize, that's a major red flag. It means your calls or texts are being diverted to a third party before they ever reach you. If you did see a random number or just want to be 100% safe, do this immediately. Dial #002 and hit call. This is the universal eraser code. It resets your forwarding settings to factory defaults and kicks off anyone who might be piggybacking on your line. Now, what if they aren't intercepting your calls but actually listening through your pocket? Look at the top right of your screen. See that tiny orange and green dot? If you see an orange dot, your microphone is active. A green dot means your camera is on. If these dots appear when you aren't using an app, swipe down to your control center. At the very top, the iPhone will actually name the spy app for you. To shut it down, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone, and toggle off any app that has no business listening to you. There's one more place hackers hide, and it's deeper in your settings. Even if you ran the codes earlier, some carrier level forwarding can still be active. Go to Settings, scroll all the way down to Apps, tap on Phone, look for Call Forwarding, tap on that. If this toggle is green, then there's a number you don't know. Someone is literally receiving your phone calls. Flip that switch off immediately. Your privacy is worth 30 seconds of checking. If you found a suspicious number, or if this gave you some peace of mind, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more ways to lock down your tech. Ever wonder how to change the clock icon on your home screen? Watch this now.